One, yeah?
One.
You want egg and cheese or not?
Yeah, egg and cheese, sure.
Everything vegetable.
Everything. Is it good?
Yes.
10 baht. Good video, huh?
10 baht for a video.
Yeah.
But a hamburger free, huh?
Good idea.
Good idea. What a cool couple, actually. Both very funny. I talked to them a little bit after I turned the camera off. Very funny. They're from a different city. They come here twice a week. It's over an hour drive, which is that's what market vendors do. There's the burger. You saw it being made. I don't expect much, but it does look all right. Cost 49 baht, so that's about $1.50, I guess. Lettuce, tomato, cucumber, cheese, fried egg, a very, very tiny pork patty. The price of pork has doubled here in recent months, so lucky there's any pork on there at all. Let's give her a go. I've had these before. This one's a lot smaller than the ones I've had in the past. Never from these guys though. Oh, got onion too, yeah. Taste that onion right away. Oh, that's really good. I'm impressed, actually. Scared it's going to fall apart. The lady said, can't trust her husband with the money. She keeps that to herself. He can do everything else. She takes care of the cash. Oh, that's good, man. Lots of sauce. Egg's a little overcooked, but still, this is really good. Better than any fast food joint, that's for sure. Man, that's good. Don't normally like eggs on burgers, but it works. Thailand street food. Even the pork burgers are good. Better than any of the fast food places, that's for sure. Oh, awesome. A nice find. Alright guys, there it is. Hamburger mole, which means a pork burger. And it's really good. Finger licking. Ha ha ha.